Well, hello. Thought we'd have a little fun today. This is a little miniature project I've worked on. Many of these items were gifted to me, which makes it even more fun. It's a little box with a little glass, actually plexiglass display, a drawer underneath. This was a brown box. You can see the lid comes off, it slides off. The plexiglass actually slides off the front. Pull it straight up if you need to. Refinished it, sanded it down, and then wiped it with a wiping stain. I chose the white antique that was popular, the pickled stain, which was popular back in the 70s. And it gave it a nice gray tone, which was quite interesting, I guess because the blue in the previous stain. Picked up some scrap paper to reflect the flooring. You'll see looks like pale wood planks. And then this is a Raggedy Ann theme, so I picked some paper that had some pretty red flowers. Um, Scale may be off, but honestly, I don't think it really matters when it comes to wallpaper. It's a personal preference. And this kind lady who gave me these Raggedy Ann items provided the bed, the rug, the dolls, the chair, the toy box, and the wardrobe. But you could replicate this very easily. And this would be fun to work with children, or if you have a friend who might have a small space, or maybe because of COVID, they're feeling a bit lonely. It might be something fun to look at. Many of us had the Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls, and it's just kind of a fun memory. You can take a plain small wardrobe and just paint the front, whatever design. It doesn't have to be Raggedy Ann and Andy. It could just be flowers. And the toy box, the reason there's a mouse inside, I'm sorry, not a mouse, it's a rabbit. The reason I have a rabbit is I collect them. It's kind of goofy on my part, but it has a meaning, and those who know me know why. So I have him in there, but you could put in a small quilt, you could put in other toys, maybe some books, some memorabilia of children you know. I like to take my artwork for my grandchildren and shrink it down and bind it together to create little books of their artwork. And this might be a fun place to put it. You could put all sorts of different toys, sports, memorabilia, all sorts of fun things, blankets, and it gives you an idea of something you can play with, enjoy. Doesn't take up a lot of space, like I said. I've transformed something that someone was actually going to throw away, cleaned it up. The drawer on the bottom is nice because I could tuck in other little things, and you could decorate it for the holidays. Hope you enjoyed it. Just wanted to share something special, another miniature idea. Fun for kids, fun for adults, and get us into this season. Have a great day.